Today, Shivaratri, the matter and consciousness unite. The subtle world and the gross world, they come together. And that is the celebration. When we violate the laws of nature, that is when disturbance, anger comes up. Disturbance happens in nature. All these floods, fires, forest fire, and the calamities are nothing but the anger of the nature, nature's fury. And nature's fury can only be calmed by the transcendental divine consciousness. That is Shiva. Shiva alone can calm down the fury of the nature. So the three types of disturbances are counted. One, the disturbance in the soul, in the mind, and in the nature. So Shivaratri is the night when we pray for us to be free from all types of misery, mental, physical, emotional, social, and natural calamities, and bestow peace and wisdom to everyone. The secrets in nature are hidden. The secrets of nature are hidden. See, now we know Wi-Fi, but the secret of Wi-Fi was there from long time, but it was hidden. And it is the blessing of the divine that science is developing. And that is what the Vedas say. Through your intervention, through your own blessing, the Lord, the divine, that science gets manifested. Secrets of nature reveal yourself. Mantranam, the mantra means the secrets in the nature. Vanijyanam, Kakshana. Kaksha also means the unfathomable universe, which no mind, nobody can reach. The secrets of that universe, only you can reveal to us. So with this prayer, we pray with our heart and soul for peace in the world, peace in society, happiness in individual and family, and progress of knowledge, progress of society, progress, prosperity. So these yajnas are done using the 5 elements from thousands of years. And Shivaratri is the day that we perform these yajnas from night till morning. Actually, it's morning till morning. The morning also they did the pujas, and then I'll continue till early hour morning. So divine accepts you however you are. If you feel you are like a thorn, you are still accepted. If you are a leaf, you are accepted. If you are a fruit or a flower, however you are, whatever stage of evolution you are, the one divinity, the one consciousness accepts you, and that is truth and that is beauty. The Shiva is, the synonymous of Shiva is beauty and truth. And the three is inseparable. Benevolence, truth and beauty. And so tonight is the celebration of nature rejoicing the presence of benevolence, truth and beauty. So we'll do a short meditation and then we'll have puja and then more celebration, more singing and all that. Okay. So, shall we start on some meditation? So nice, huh? अच्छा लग रहा है ना सबको? Isn't it so nice? All of us collectively, how many thousands and thousands of us here, and many more who are joining us in the webcast. We all meditate. We create such a field, such an electrifying field, which would eliminate all negativity and uplift human spirit.